ready for race, ready for the first tour of the year, first tour of 2026. It seems everything it's okay. Let's go. So we have to drive to Teningen now. No, not that road. Here we have to go there. We need also, yes, about 1 hour. 1 hour 20 minutes about. No, it's like 6-hour mark. Nobody on the street. Nice. 6 p.m. Let's go.
Dopo 300 metri gira a destra.
That is a little bit too loud. You wanna sleep?
Gira a destra.
No.
Tu?
No.
Look out, so much wind.
Autovelox fisso, tra 300 metri. Autovelox fisso, 300 metri.
Dopo 700 metri tieni la sinistra.
At the night, in some city and town, we have to drive 50 kilometers per hour because of the Larmschutz, obvious Larmschutz, the loudness of the cars. These are green politic. They change the speed limit between day and night. Usually it's 50, but during the night in some streets and roads are 30 kilometers per hour, because the car tires make too much noise. The car tires. Even if you have a Tesla or an electric car, you have to drive at this limit anyway, that you don't make any noise, because your tires do the same noise as an engine, almost the same noise as an engine. Okay, that's the green politic.
Dopo 400 metri gira a destra.
Registrato tutti e due.
Gira a destra. Segui per favore la strada per 85 km.
Per favore, please. politically correct Navi. Please follow the road. Engine is cold. Senti che vento. Ma ho messo 28 gradi, dobbiamo farlo scaldare.
30 km/h stage. 30 km/h.
30 km you stay with. I see. I have to correct the steering wheel. Farlo scaldare. It's cold. I know it's cold. Give me some minutes and it will be warm. Nobody on the road, on the highway. That's cool, huh?
Yeah, it's good.
So it's nice to drive. Maybe we'll see us later when it's a little bit lighter than now in the dark. No? And you can sleep. Truckers, greetings. The customized trucker greeting each other. It's nice. It's nice. That's why I like it, because it's like a big family. Yeah, a big community. And if you want them, let pass. Like now, you just message with him and say that he can go
Bling bling.
on the right. So Mari, we turn off now and we turn off the light and we will see us later. So to Gestuda, we are loading now. Huh? Today Klerslam. Oha. Oh. Läuft! Ich muss den mal rufen jetzt. Ja, kommt doch. Und so. Ok, ora devo chiamare Felix. Now I have to call Felix. Shh. We have Fertig to load here in the south of Germany. A5. We are near the. We was near the border. We drive on north again to Mannheim.
Dopo 700 metri, tieni la sinistra.
Again to Mannheim. It's about 2.5 hours. And
400 metri,
then we
tieni la
go
sinistra.
to unload, and after that we drive home. For today it's done. Friday, the first tour of the year, 2 January.
Tieni la sinistra. Dopo 200 metri, gira a sinistra. Gira a sinistra. tieni la destra. Dopo 200 metri alla rotonda esci alla seconda uscita. Esci alla seconda uscita.
Cosa vuoi? Eh? Oh.
Non ti prendo sul braccio, mi lasci che ti prenda.
No. And appoggi calore. Basta. He will talk. Da? You can speak English.
Communicate.
Huh? And for today, that is the tour. Monday.
Dopo 700 metri gira a destra.
Monday we have to go to Köln. We load in the name for me to at home. Also not so much, not so far from home.
Dopo 400 metri
But
gira
we
a
have to
destra.
drive more than 3 hours. And we go in the net to Köln, then unload and then again back home. That's mean. Maybe a month day you can come together with me, because I would like to bring you
Gira a destra.
in a nice trucker restaurant, trucker dinner.
Segui per favore la strada per 148 km.
Ah. 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 Scemo. He will talk. For you it's everything okay?
Ja.
Ah! Ah! Oh my god. You are crazy.
So. Wir sind heute wieder in Urlaub mit unserer Baba.
Wieder on tour.
On tour. Pilotolo on tour.
Pilotolo family on tour. Guarda questo.
Femmelino Schleppschuh.
We have, now I speak English. with the video, now I speak English now. Oh, I'm going crazy with the language now. Wir haben 190 Kilometer nach Mannheim, abladen und dann wieder daheim und Feierabend. Wochenende, wieder feiern. Juhu! Autobahn ist geil, Autobahn leer. Highway is leer, is empty. So muss sein A5. So muss sein.
So wie in Berlin fast.
Genau. Hi.
Fraternità.
It's eine Community.
Bruderschaft.
Here we have the racetrack, where the Formula Lines race here. Now not more, but before there was.
So,
On Diner Right. Exactly.
Hockenheim Ring inside tour.